So what we are going to explain. So right now we have applied a rule. Look at our traffic, how the traffic is flowing. Our traffic is flowing from this network, 10 network, to outside internet. And this traffic is, what we done is, we have applied a policy using the app and URL filtering. And what we have done is, we have allowed block social media, social networking, gambling, pornography, personal and shopping sites. However, let's say your team is saying, and you can see, for example, all these are blocked. Okay, so for example, Facebook is blocked, LinkedIn is blocked, Twitter is match.com is blocked. Okay, we'll see the also eBay is blocked as well. So now what we need to do is, we need to create some kind of exception on the top. So now your company is saying, yes, we are happy that with your effort, it's good, but now what we need to do is, we need to allow, let's say, Facebook. So I copy this rule, and I, rather than just copy this one, copy and paste it to the above. So basically we need to create a rule on the top actually. Okay, so basically we need to create a rule on the top to allow the, so this will be accepted, and I will be allowing the, not the category, but the application and sites, and I will be allowing the Facebook, for example. I will be allowing the LinkedIn. Okay, that's the whole application. I can allow the eBay. Okay, and I can allow the, for example, yeah, Bet365 is already working, by the way. So let me check something else. Yeah, what other site? Okay, Match.com. You see, I have allowed this as well. So now the company is saying, as per our policy, we want to, yes, you have blocked all of them for all the user, but somehow this user need maybe Facebook, LinkedIn, eBay, and few website. So you can actually apply this, policy, and you can apply this policy before drop it. Okay, this is, you are creating an exception. Have I applied the policy? So 1 minute. So now I want to allow, make sure that this user can go into Facebook, LinkedIn, or few applications are just allowed. So let me check now if I can go to, for example, eBay. Okay, I can go to match.com. That's working. I can go to Facebook, for example, and I can go to the LinkedIn. And Twitter should be blocked. You see, Twitter should be blocked. And similarly, any other, let's say, shadi.com, for example, that should be blocked as well. So only match.com is allowed. Now let's just check the logs here. So you can see that application this is the, yeah, so you see it's app, this connection is dropped. Okay, so Facebook, for example. Application and control, access, session, social and networking. Similarly, maybe some other applications. Social networking, Facebook again. So this is how you can create an exception on top of it, whatever you have created. Yeah. So you block, first of all, you black some category, and then you have allowed some of them as well. I'm not sure if you can create a group of application. So if you want to create a group of custom application URL sites, application site, user category, application site and group. So you can create application site and group. For example, allowed app NAS and you can actually, for example, put these. Okay, come on. So Facebook, LinkedIn, match, and then you can also add eBay as well. So here you can remove this if you want to. And I can, rather than use this application, I can use a group as well. So this is the same thing we have done before, but with a different method. So I have created an application group. Previously I created a services group, now I created application group. So any questions so far?